dog. First, you need to brush your dog and stuff because you want to keep it nice and to keep the fleas out. And you also want to wash it once in a while to also get the fleas out and to make sure it smells good, because one day my dog was playing with a skunk and it got sprayed. Real story.
Yuck.
That's not funny. And you also need to give the dog food and water. And you also need to, when it feels good, you give it treats. And I brought one of my real dog treats that's real. I'll pass that around so you can feel it. This is just half of it. It was big. I didn't think it would fit in here, so me and my dad broke it in half. And you also need to walk your dog so it can go pee and poo. It's just processed food. My grandma told me to say it. Hey, you're laughing. And you also have to play with it just to have some fun with it. And then we had another one, then we lost it, then we bought another one, and then we found that one, and then we had two, so now I brought one of the two ones we have at home. And listen to this one. Well, it works better on here. No, the other one is funny. Listen to the bottom one.
Honey, why don't you just do one dog toy, okay?
Okay, I'll pass around this and this one because most of you laughed at it, so.
My friends, when you get the dog, don't keep squeezing because we'll keep making a lot of noise. We're going to be asking Cordelia questions about the presentation while you look at it.
And while you're doing that, I'll come around the room so you can stroke it because it's not as soft as my dog, but almost.
Okay.
Like, if I had my real dog, if it was big enough to take in here, then I would take it in here. And if you guys could stroke it, I would let you stroke it. So anyway.
Aiden, you probably have allergies.
You for there.